We present a new natural user interface for interactive displays that communicate via gesture, voice commands and visual support to encourage the youth in politics. The unwillingness of young guys to participate in the society seriously prevents sustainable well-being, social growth and economic well-being. We used a design thinking approach to solve this problem in a human-centered way. It's a hands-on approach, following a structured process to come to innovate solutions. This brings together what is desirable from the youth's point of view, which is technologically feasible and economically viable. Our target user was the youth that considers interacting with an interactive product as beneficial. The context environment for the video that was used for this research was a common room in an apartment on campus where people can hang out, but can also work in other environments as shown in this video. We used both qualitative and quantitative research methods to help us gather data from participants. Preliminary solution was discussed with the client. Features of the solution were identified. Natural user interface for interactive display was proposed after we gathered and analyzed data. We made a video of the proposed interactive display for evaluation testing. Here are some comments and quotes from participants, and also gathered some data for statistical purposes. Concept evaluation and UX goals were established. Finding from the evaluation suggests that the youth feel the current way of politics, example voting, was outdated and boring and they might need an extra push of motivation. We learned some useful lessons from the study, and proposed some useful information for large-scale studies. We suggest that natural user interface that communicate via gesture, voice commands and visual support and motivate the youth can be part of broader youth civic engagement ecosystem. Watch our product demonstration idea.
Hello.
Hi Sonia, how would you like to interact? First option is gesture, listen, read and talk mode, and second option is gesture, read and talk mode.
Option 1.
Here are a list of political candidates.
Please show and select using cursor. Who solves the issues of the community? Please tell me which of these is more active.
Mr. Aston is active among all and has solved the important issues of community, including unemployment and electricity breakage. Would you like to know something more about Mr. Aston?
Yes, I would like to know his previous performances and qualification.
Past performance. Past did not work for their members. G Republic stood with their people. ISPP was satisfactory in the recent years. Performance comparison. S failed in all parts regularly and have corruption background. G Republic took good initiative and helped their members. ISPP has made significant rise and has worked for people. Party plan. AST's plan is to reduce unemployment. G Republic's wants to bring youth in social and political activities. ISPP's plan is to provide free education and development of country. Here is a security voting. The cameras are switched on. You can vote for more than one candidate.
Please show cursor.
You've voted for the first candidate. Share your opinion and views through tax card.
Ok, I would like to listen and read about the benefits for voters.
Voters can raise any issue to their political party using tax card. Voters have a chance of selecting their leadership and can play their role in country's development.
How voters can communicate their problems to government officials?
Voters can send their complaints to government's official portal. Also, voters can share the complete issue with local administration using their tax card application.
Thank you. And how I can apply for it?
You can apply for voter's tax card. Thanks for applying, sir. You will receive your tax card shortly via email, WhatsApp or Telegram. You can choose your participation in other affairs of the community. Example, there are 1,500 paid training programs, social activities and 1,000 jobs available for registered voters.
Okay, I would like to know about training programs. Please select from cursor.
Here are a list of paid programs for voters. Please confirm your participation.
Yes.
Great move. Your participation is confirmed.
Goodbye.